Hi there, crochet friends. Welcome to this exciting tutorial where we're making a lovely coaster. This little beauty is perfect for keeping your table safe from drink rings while adding a cozy, handmade touch to your home. Or it could be a sweet gift for someone special. No matter your skill level, I'll guide you through every step. You've got this. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more fun projects. Let's get hooking. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Work 8 repeats of a double crochet followed by a chain 1, that's double crochet, chain 1, 8 times. You'll have 8 double crochets and 8 chain spaces. What a fantastic start. You're doing great already. Tip: don't tighten the magic ring until you finish this round for easier stitching. Next, for round 2, slip stitch into the first chain space to move up. Then, in each of the 8 chain spaces, work 3 double crochets, that's 3 double crochets, repeated 8 times. You'll end with 24 double crochets total. You're building this coaster so well. Awesome job. Tip: keep your tension even to ensure a nice, flat base. For round 3, begin with a single crochet in the first stitch. Then, in the next stitch, work a slip stitch, chain 9 and another slip stitch into the same spot. Next, do 2 single crochets, then repeat slip stitch, chain 9, slip stitch. In the next stitch 7 more times. Finish with a single crochet. Those loops are looking amazing. You're a natural. Tip: count your chains carefully to keep them at 9 each time. Moving to round 4, we're increasing. Start with a double crochet increase. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch, followed by chain 3. Then repeat 2 double crochet increases, chain 3. 7 more times and end with 1 more double crochet increase. You'll have 8 sets total. This is shaping up perfectly. You're doing wonderfully. Tip: use a stitch marker to track your first increase. For round 5, start with a single crochet, then work a small cluster stitch, we'll call it K1, like a puff or mini bobble. In the first chain space, do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then repeat K1, 2, single crochets K1 in that same double crochet sequence 7 times. End with a K1 and a single crochet. You're incredible. This coaster is stunning. Tip: keep your clusters light and fluffy by not pulling too tight. And there it is, your beautiful crochet coaster is finished. Isn't it just gorgeous? I'm so proud of you for crocheting along with me. If you love this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share your coasters with me. I'd love to see how they turned out. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!